Welcome back. We're out here at another reservoir. The wind's blowing 25 miles an hour, gust of 50 tonight. It's about 60 degrees right now. It's going to get down to low 40s, so it's a little too nasty to be outside. So we're going to cook some dinner and just hang out in the truck tonight. Maybe get up in the morning and make some breakfast. Just have a nice, easy night. So stick around. Sure would be easier if I had an actual table in here rather than doing it like this. That would take all the fun out of it, though. Put some soy sauce in here. Some brown sugar. Okay, and then I don't have any chili garlic paste, so we're going to throw some red pepper flakes in there. Thank you, Little Caesars, for the red pepper flakes. This will be wonderful. A little bit of heat. So anyway, the plan tonight was to try to camp down by the water. I couldn't find a place the place I found said no parking. So we're up here in a parking lot. We're not too far from the water. We'll go down there in the morning and make breakfast down there. I had two choices. I could go camping this weekend when it was going to be 90 degrees and blow 40 miles an hour, or I could go camping today when it's going to be 60 degrees and blow 40 miles an hour. So I picked today. So tonight we're making spicy Asian Ramen. I think I drove around for like 2 hours today looking for some place to park and just couldn't find anything that I liked. So I don't know, I just wasn't comfortable. You ever have that sense you got somewhere and just nothing looks right, nothing feels right? So anyway, ended up here. Alright, that looks like that's boiling. Let's put some noodles in there. Okay, I think they're done. So now, the trick is going to be to drain these bad boys. That off. I need a lid. Okay. You're going to enjoy this because I'm going to have to open the, well, I don't know if I can open the door with you there. You have to go to plan B. Alright, let's stir that up. Okay. We're just missing two things now. Holy cow. That's not good. Can you see that? I got stuff on my glasses. That's bad. So, Put some chopped green onions on here. And we'll put some chopped peanuts on there too. All right. Check that out. You see that? Spicy Asian ramen with garnished with green onions and chopped peanuts. That's a dinner right there. Just got to get my mess out of the way, and we are all set. Oh, we're missing one thing. We're missing the important stuff. Here we go. This is what we needed. Should have had one of those the whole time. That's good. All right. That is just ridiculous that I got stuff on my glasses. I got nothing to clean them with. That's just stupid. Alright, well, let's check this out. That's really good. It is really good. I was worried the not having the chili garlic sauce would hurt it, but the red pepper flake does a good job. It's got nice spice. Got that peanut butter flavor that I really like. Really works well. Particularly goes well with the Mexican beer. Alright, well, I'm going to finish my dinner, clean my mess up, and we'll just hang out for the night. Excuse me. Man, that is really good. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. Well, it's about bedtime. I'm going to watch some Mav on YouTube and get some rest. And we'll see you in the morning.
First meal of the day, lobster on a George Foreman. Let's see if it's possible, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta see if this sucker can cook a good steak.
Well, good morning. We're up this morning, and good news is it's starting to rain a little bit, so we're getting some moisture, which is good. We're gonna move locations. We're gonna go down here on the boat dock. There's nobody down there, I'm pretty sure, and we're gonna cook breakfast down there. I think that'll be interesting. If I can get the truck out of here without getting stuck. A little bit of a ditch right there. I didn't sleep too bad last night. It was windy, but it's always windy. I know. Put my damn seatbelt on. I get you. Well, here's the view now that we've changed locations. Parked down on a boat ramp. Obviously nobody's boating today. The water's pretty low. We're not going to be here long. It's clearly posted no parking. So we're just going to cook breakfast and get out of here. Man, I need coffee this morning. There is to it. Gotta have coffee. Okay, seems like the jet boil's taking forever this morning. I don't know what's up with that. There we go. Now she's boiling. There you go. That hits it. That's good. All right, let's get breakfast going here. Get some cross flow going in here. Wow. Too much cross flow. That's a chili. Just a little cross flow. And now we're going to put the seasoning in. It's got paprika, and cumin, and chipotle, and cinnamon. That smells fantastic. Now we need us a couple eggs. I think we're getting close. Here. Looky here. I got hash. I like to burn bits. Don't judge me. I got a couple eggs cooking. I'm throwing stuff everywhere this morning. It's unbelievable. I'm getting hungry. Let's throw a lid on that. Yeah. I got carried away with pepper, but still. Not bad for breakfast, right? Best part is when the eggs all broke up inside there. That's perfect. Well, I'm going to finish breakfast and clean up my mess, and we'll get out of here.